Now this particular toy show has a vast offering, so it's perfect for families. This lunchbox is definitely on my bucket list. Wayne's World, excellent. $125 for that train. Uh-oh. I think I found my first purchase of the day. That Cesar Romero Joker would be really cool. There you go.
There you go.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, appreciate you, man.
How about 65? You know, I got 60. I think 60 will do it. I have to run to go do something. Get more money.
I want to keep this. You don't mind.
Yeah, I know. And it used to be.
So is that just from like Japan or something?
Yeah.
Power Rangers? Wow. I got a buddy that would just go crazy for that.
Yeah, that's Japanese Power Rangers there too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They only released the red one in America, so.
Wow. Yeah, I gotta get some pictures and text them.
Yeah, these are super rare. Like on eBay, there's none of those in box listed.
Really?
There's a lot of those loose, and it was listed at like $750.
Woo! Wow. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna film your table here and then I'm gonna get some pictures for him.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Most of the places on the tour, one that doesn't. Most of the
Find something you were interested in.
This is definitely on my wish list. Oh, Captain Kirk in outer space. That is freaking awesome. This is definitely my kind of table. Damn, man. $6 million man. Want it bad. That's Space 99? Yeah, thank you.
It's got a beautiful thermos.
Oh, man.
Thermos is like
That's
brand
killer. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, not bad. There's one at the table out there for 20 bucks, missing the handle, but you open it up and all the paint on the inside is just peeled right off of it.
And the inside's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
I mean, it's more, you know, it's old, but
Yeah,
thermos is like brand new. This I had to order off eBay.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Is that what complete?
Yep.
That's a nice one. Yeah, I might think on that one. That's
75. I do 70 on it. Too.
70?
Just because I had to pay for the thermos.
right. No, I get it. And I like that $6 million man too.
That's got a beautiful thermos.
Really? Oh, wow.
The inside's really nice.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, the thermos is beautiful.
Gee, that's
The
super
inside's
clean. Look
nice.
at that.
Yeah, the inside's
Wow.
nice. A lot of my thermoses are really nice.
Yeah, that's a nice piece.
A little wear, but it's still in good shape.
Yeah, but you know, it's $6 million man. It should have some wear to it, right?
We need someone that actually used it. Well, except for those.
That's me, only man child. All right, everybody, we are back from the Quad Cities Toy Show. Now, this particular toy show has a vast offering, so it's perfect for families. If Grandpa and Grandma want to take the grandkids to a toy show, this is the perfect place because there is something for everybody at this kind of toy show. So today, of course, did not disappoint. I found a few things. Let's take a look at what I got. All right, the first thing that we got today was this Planet of the Apes Dr. Zira model kit from Aurora. Now, originally glancing at it, I should have realized that there was a UPC code, which is probably my first clue that this is not from the 1960s or 70s. This is actually from the year 2000. They were asking 20 and I gladly paid them 20. And the going rate on something like this is about $20. So all in all, I didn't make a bad investment, but let me show you the inside here. So as you can see, it is all still sealed in the plastic with the instructions. So all in all, I'm not going to put it together, but man, I think it is so cool and will add quite a bit to the Planet of the Apes collection. The next item that I found was this Star Trek Whitman frame tray puzzle. He was asking 25. I offered him 20 and he took it, and good thing for him he did, because I found out that these are not hard to come by after the fact. As far as investments go, this was not a good investment. I'll put up on the screen here one that's currently available on eBay for $5 or $6 plus shipping. But all in all, I really don't care. I think it's cool. The fact that it's Star Trek and it's got Captain Kirk on a spacewalk, which pretty much never happened in the original series. I think it's a cool piece, and I'm happy to have that added to the collection. And lastly, this seriously took me back to my childhood to the nth degree. I can't tell you what this did to me when I saw this. I remember this cover. I remember the Monster Bashed theme of this issue. When you flip this one over, you can see this on the back. I remember this from my childhood. I mean, this was, for me, super, super nostalgia overload. I remember these games, these puzzles you can do. I just remember everything about this issue. I must have looked it over probably 100 times when I had it. I loved Halloween and I loved monsters when I was a kid. So this just took me back immediately, and I could not be more thrilled. He was only asking $5 for each of the Dynamite magazines, so I absolutely had to have this. But then I saw this one here too with Mr. Sean Cassidy, aka one of the Hardy Boys. Totally loved this show, totally loved Sean Cassidy as a kid. Had 2 or 3 of his record albums. And then when I got home, I realized that in the back here was a Star Wars poster. Still sealed in the package. And, oh, it is in here. It is in there. It is, oh my gosh, I didn't realize, you're seeing this with me for the first time. I didn't realize that was in there. That is a Dynamite sticker or a Dynamite transfer. They called it a Dynamite patch, but anyway, I just realized that was in there, which is excellent because that puts the value of this book at about $20 recently sold. So makes up for the Star Trek puzzle. But again, not doing this to resell them. These are not going to go on eBay. These are going in my permanent collection. But this one, again, has just been nostalgia overload for me to see this particular issue. Well, that is all I got for you today, folks. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll see you at the next toy hunt. Bye, everybody. Have a great week.